shut you off. Ow. Okay, that hurt.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan.
I don't get it how this thing even goes on. It has a terrible signal.
To Mid-Lake until 8:30 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of strong to severe thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots. And large hail from 30 nautical miles southwest of Wilmette Harbor to northerly island moving southeast at 20 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Calumet Harbor around 7:10 p.m. Motorists should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.